All right, hey y'all, welcome back to the Nut House. So glad you came back to see me, check me out, and all that good stuff. Okay, look, I got two kits over here I want to share with y'all. Let me grab them. But before I grab them, this is what we're going to be swatching them on. I got two little practice stick thingies here. I purchased these little things off of AliExpress. Can't really remember how much I paid for them, but you know, if you want the link, I'll leave a link to where they at down in that description bar. It's just, they're real flimsy and a lot of them popped off already, and to be honest, it's not really worth your money. But you know, hey, I'm here to share. If that's what you want, that's what you get. Alright y'all, so look, I got these beautiful kits from Modelones, okay? Alright, and this one here is called the, hold on, let me see if the names is on the back of the thing. Yeah. Girl, these some nice little cases. And they so elegant looking, aren't they? Yeah. Black and gold, girl. How royalty is launched, okay? This one is called Morandi's Village. And this one here is called the Temperature Set, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these colors with you guys. Each set, I just love these boxes, y'all. I'm a sucker for packaging, I tell you. Come with 7 bottles of gel polish in them. Yeah. This one here is a UV LED little lamp. So cute. This lamp is perfect for traveling on the go. Hold on, let me see if I can open it without ripping up the box here. I don't want to rip up the box, that's for sure. It comes with a USB cord. Nice and long. This is a nice and long little cord, like a shoestring lace. Alright, okay. So you can plug this up into your computer, or you can plug it up with a adapter. I'm going to show you an adapter in 1 second here, if I can find one. Let's open this up first though. Okay, well, we can just rip this right on off. I love how they keep their stuff packaged so nice. So nice. And for something to be so small, it looks so cute and elegant. Okay. And this is where you plug the UBS cord up right here, like that. And then hold on, let me grab one of these adapter cords here. I can find one. Where you at, adapter cord? Hold on, y'all. I know I got one around somewhere. Yeah. Unplug my TV. Hold on. All right. Let me plug my TV back up here. Okay, so this here is the adapter cord here. You can plug this part up right here into here. Okay, so okay. And I'm assuming you can get these here off AliExpress, eBay, Walmart, anywhere you want to go. You can purchase one of these. Mine's come from the Apple store, so yeah. I don't think I need to be explaining this because I think everybody I'm talking to right about now know exactly what these things are, okay? But yeah, so you can plug it up into this end, plug it up into your outlet, your house, your wall, you know, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. All right, so let's go ahead on and get started with these swatches. Okay, so the first set I want to swatch here is this here cool temperature set. And again, I say it comes with 7 bottles here. So we're going to go through all the bottles. I love how Modelones jars look. They look so super cute, so super elegant. These are some must-haves in your collections. I wouldn't tell you wrong. I wouldn't tell you wrong. I have worked with Modelones before. I love the way they perform. I love the way they cure. I love the way they look, honey. And when I tell you that these here perform almost better than, actually, I have to give it up to them, y'all. They do. They perform better than some high-end gel polishes. Just my opinion. Honest opinion. That's all. It's O's I'm saying. This one here is called 100 Degrees. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh my goodness. Girl, this is a pretty red. This is beautiful. Hold on. Let's swatch this sucker. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. We're gonna go in with a girl. Look how pretty that is. Hold on, I didn't have enough on the brush here, but that's okay. That's okay. Woo! They give you a lot in these jars too. All right, Modelones. Look at that glass on there like that. Girl, that's so pretty. I am loving this red, and I'm about to do my nails with one of these colors. But I'm just trying to figure out what color I'm gonna use. But hold on, girl. Look at that red there. And that's just one coat, okay? So we're gonna cure this here and come back with another coat. Okay, so before I get started, right, I was just about to plug up this lamp. But let me go back through the details of this lamp again, right? This little thing is so cute. It has a push button right here. Now you can plug it up and use it. It has a push button here, and the lid comes off like that there, and you can use two, I'm assuming, no, 3 AAA batteries, because these slots look like they can fit a AAA battery. I don't have any AAA batteries on hand, so no, I don't have any on hand right now, but this here can take 3 AAA batteries if you do not want to use the plug. How awesome is that? Oh wow, girl, you can be in a car on a road trip. Let me do my little nails, paint my little nails real fast, and then I'm gonna have to cure them. I'm gonna have to just cure them. Girl, look at that, cute. Okay, all right, y'all, let's get to curing these here things. I don't have no no battery, so I'm gonna go ahead and just plug her on up, make sure she works good, and get on with the boogie. You have a 90-second button here and a 60-second button there, and we're going to place this first polish right up under here. 90 seconds. Uh-oh. Make sure you keep all your gel polishes away from anti-UV LED lamp, baby girl, or they will cure her. They will cure her. Okay? Keep them clean, far away from these suckers as possible. Keep them far and clean away from UV LED lamps. All of your gel polishes, your top polishes, and everything. You know, it will cure. All right. Now I'm going in with a second coat here. Below 10 degrees, okay? All right, y'all, this after the second coat of the below 10 degrees. But I'm going in now with 60 degrees, okay? Okay, that's after the first coat of 60 degrees. Let's go in with a second coat of 60 degrees, okay? Come on, camera. Hello, camera. There you go. Okay, so my next color will be 50 degrees here. So we're going in with 50 degrees. Oh, this is so pretty. Because look, the girl. See, you get to stuttering when you get excited, you know. But look. The color on the jar looks like a lime green. But then when you open up the jar, oh, you get a surprise. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Girl. Girl. I hope you checking this out. I really, really do. Look at this color here. Look at this color here. I tell you, I'm going to use one of these colors, but I just don't know what color I'm going to use. How about I let y'all decide? Do that for me. Okay, down in that comment box below. But this one here is called 50 degrees. And let me cure 50 degrees. And then we're going to go. You really don't need 2 coats of this here. Ah, my goodness gracious alive. Child, look at that. So pretty. Let me cure that. And then I'm going to go in with a second coat anyway. Alright, I'm going in with a second coat of this here. Okay, guys. Alright, y'all. I'm going to go in now with this next color here. I don't know why my camera is not picking these colors up right. Well, we're going to have to look into that. Oh, my goodness. This is... I keep getting tongue tied. This is like a periwinkle blue. This is so pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't give you the name. It's 20 degrees. And it's like a periwinkle blue. Okay, so now I'm going to go in again with the 20 degrees. Second coat. Okay, so now I'm going in with the next one here. And this one is called 80 degrees. Okay. Okay, this is the second coat of 80 degrees. All right, and last but not least, we have in this collection, we have 40 degrees. Okay. Okay, this is the whole collection of this temperature set have. Weird name, but the temperature set. Okay. I introduced another collection to you guys at the beginning of this video that also has 7 jars of gel polish in it as well. And that set there is called the Morandi's Village. Okay, and these are all the colors. I went ahead and swatched them off camera. So these are all the colors that's in Morandi's Village. We're going to go through these colors together. All right, this first one here, this one is called Cabin. Okay. This second one next to it, right here, is called Lush Fields. All right. The next one here is called House. Next to that one, this is House. This one here is called Leaf. Okay. This one here is called Roof. Okay. This one here is called Forest. All right. And the last one here is called Light. All right. The consistency is very creamy. I love the colors to them. They are some very pretty colors. Okay. I also have Models 1 top and base coat. So I'm going to top these off real fast. I don't too much use base coat, and I really wouldn't use a base coat on any practice sticks. So take them out the box here. They're named right here on the side. This here one is base coat. This one is the top coat. So I'm going to go in with the top coat. This is the temperature collection with the top coat added to it, okay? Look how pretty those colors are. Now I'm going to come back and do another video with one of these here colors. I have to do it any, mini, miny, mo because they're all beautiful just to see which one I want to use. Alright, so I'm going to leave all the information down in the description bar about these two kits. If you would like to go over and purchase you one, you should get these here in your life. Alright y'all, that's my time. I hope y'all enjoy watching me swatch these here gel polishes from the Modelones collections. Okay.